Have you seen our microwave pressure cooker? It is like a slow cooker for the microwave. This gem is your go-to for one-pot meals. It has a 3-cup capacity and 4 built-in safety features that will help you to get dinner on the table in less than 30 minutes. Think juicy pot roast, delicious hearty pasta dishes, soups, stews, and more. Check out one of my favorites, a delicious taco soup. Start with your raw ground beef and then add your onions. Next, you're going to layer in all of your other ingredients. Give it a good stir to make sure that everything is well mixed. Seal it, lock it, and microwave on high for 30 minutes. When your pressure cooker comes out of the microwave, let it stand until the yellow pressure regulator valve lowers. That'll take about 5 minutes. Give it one last stir and then serve with your favorite sides. With the microwave pressure cooker, dinner is faster, better, and easier, all in one pot. This is the new way to homemade.